Question 2, this one is from real numbers. Concept tested is HCF. What is the greatest possible speed? Let's say that speed is equal to S kilometers per hour, right? So they've essentially given this also in kilometers per hour. Let's assign a variable that way. What's the greatest possible speed at which a man can walk 52 kilometers and 91 kilometers in an exact number of hours? So he should walk 52 kilometers at some speed, the greatest possible speed, that is S kilometers per hour. And he should walk this 91 kilometers also at this greatest possible speed, that's S kilometers per hour, so that he finishes this 52 kilometers in an integer number of hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. It can't be 3.5 hours. It can't be 2 hours and 20 minutes. It should be an integer number of hours, exact number of hours. So he should complete this 52 kilometer walk in an exact number of hours, integer number of hours. He should also complete 91 in an integer number of hours. So it just makes sense out of this. So let's say to walk this 52 kilometers, he is taking A hours. So S kilometers per hour into A hours, which is an integer, is equal to 52. To walk this 91, again is walking at S kilometers per hour into B is equal to 91. Because A and B are integers, as this question is mandated, obviously S is going to be, essentially we're trying to find out what is the greatest possible speed. We want that speed to be in terms of an integer. So S is a number that will divide 52. S is a number that's going to divide 91, because S times A is 52, S times B is 91. So S will divide 52, S will divide 91, which means S is a common factor of 52 and 91. We're trying to find out the greatest possible value that S can take. Essentially the greatest common factor, highest common factor. S is nothing but the HCF of 52 and 91. Let's prime factorize both these 52 and 91. I'm just taking this part alone. 52 is 4 times 13, so this is equal to 2 square times 13. 91 is 7 times 13, so this is 7 times 13. So you prime factorize both these numbers in this fashion. How do you find out the HCF? HCF is the product of common primes in their lowest power. What's the only prime common to both these numbers? So the HCF of 52 and 91 is the product of common primes. The only common prime between these two numbers is a 13. In the lowest power, in both numbers 13 is present in a power of 1. So we're going to take that. So the HCF of these two numbers is 13. So the greatest possible speed at which this man can walk is 13 kilometers per hour. Take a look at the answer options. C is the correct answer to this question. Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. 1, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also, spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.